location as well. You could go to your doctors, and then obviously here in Welshpool there's the family centre, which is closer to the home. It's a bit easier, isn't it, for us to access.
And then if we couldn't make appointments, there was support on the phone.
Yeah.
Where we'd get a phone call and have a chat and different things on the phone.
Sometimes.
Yeah,
text.
text.
Yeah, 100%, 100,000,000%.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter how old you are, how long you've been smoking.
Yeah. We have recommended
It
it to a
is
few
doable.
people, haven't we? We have said to quite a few of our friends who they also want to quit, and we've said, you know, go up to the doctors. We had an appointment the same week, and that's easy service, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? There's no massive tick boxes, and it's something that was quite straightforward, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
but go for it. That's what I would 100% recommend.
Do it. If we can do it, anybody can do
100%.
it. Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Anybody can do it. Yeah.